Here we go again. Korean barbecue. There's the pork. Ano sa daddy?
I said I'm surprised they trust us with the pork but not the beef.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. I remember that we like that one. Yeah.
Like another.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. left. It's almost empty. The bulgogi. I don't know what it's called. Like it's bowl with omelette and a little soup on it. I don't know what is it called, but it's really good. And then the side dish, and then there's no belly left. Yummy, yummy. And then we still have a we still have a little beer left, but everything is good. So good. Empty. Full belly. That even even the waitress think that I was pregnant because she's not gonna give me any beer like the shot thing for soju and beer because she thought that I was pregnant. That's probably how my belly is really big already. Need to work out again, guys. That's a call, Daddy, that we have to go back to work out. Someone think that I'm pregnant. Oh, that's funny. So it's empty. It's all empty. No rice anymore. And Kian is having fun. Please say bye-bye to everyone. Bye! He's not even looking. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and hope you like this. And hope you guys try the Korean barbecue. It's really awesome and amazing. It's delicious. As you can see, it's almost all gone. And and yep, if you're gonna try. I can't even end my thing because Kian is so loud. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Please subscribe. And press the red bell button so every time I upload it, you guys notify. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye. Mwah.
Mwah.
Ian.